Hey, this is Pierre Jaco talking. Imagine you receive an email like that and you want to have this, not sure why they send a copy of an image of Excel. It would be better to have the Excel file, but can you do something about it? So let me first try to copy the image to see what we can do with that. And let me try to see if we can put it in Excel. So of course you can pass the image in Excel, but it's going to be an image. I want a list, a grid. So in data, I don't know if you noticed that. I think it's pretty recent. You can say from picture, and you can get your picture from a file or from a clipboard, and then it will open here on the side something that analyzes data and try to find the information. Apparently, he has some issue to see that's not three or four columns, it's two. So maybe I can review this. So activity is okay. Ours is okay, but this is not okay. Let me review again. I'm not sure what I need to do here. Um, I don't want this. I don't know why he thinks there's a column. Okay, so apparently it's not that smart. So let's do something here. Let's say insert data. Yeah, I didn't review, but you didn't let me unaccept. So here I can do, at least what I can do is just do a copy paste here and do some cleaning after. So it's not perfect, as you can see, or maybe I don't know it very well. But now I have my table and I can do whatever calculation I want actually. And I can even get rid of this and make it a table. I guess I can do that now. Yeah, they're headers, and I can add a total row and do the sum. Perfect. So this is how you can import a picture, convert it roughly into the Excel into an Excel. Of course, your picture should be an Excel content kind of content, a grid or something. But it can be very useful, especially in that use case. I think that happens often when you receive an image instead of the plain text. So hope this new feature was helpful.